wondered how it would be like to live in Nairobi CBD. Well, on today's video, I'm going to show you guys some very affordable apartments at the heart of Nairobi CBD. So stay tuned, keep on watching, subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed, and let's get straight into the video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Storage space. So for a studio apartment, the storage space is amazing. You have this place over here where you can store your shopping, your spices, all your kitchen essentials. And you also have these ones over here. So you have really good storage space, and you have these drawers which are also white inside, and I think I have a thing for white. So, and they have been laminated. This is very good quality. I love this. So more space. So this is actually a really good space. good space between the toilet and the shower, so you have enough space for showering. And then over here you have a place to place your soap or your shower gel, whatever you want to use. This is very amazing. Like, I've not seen this in many houses. This is a good improvisation. And you also have this as well. So, and it's hot shower. There's a socket outside there, and they also have a towel holder. How amazing is this? They have a towel holder, and I love that the bathroom has white tiles. Again, white has just won my heart today. So that's it with the bathroom. The second house, this one is a bigger version and it goes for 17,000 shillings. Let's go check it out. Wow, it even has more cabinets, more storage space than the previous one. You can see all the way from there to there. That's very good storage space, and even this one is bigger than the previous one. Of course, we have the amazing curtain rods. The house is also white in color. The floor is the same. The tiles are very, very cute. So this one is very spacious. In fact, this one is, calling it a studio apartment sounds to me like an insult because it's very, very spacious. And I love the rectangular design. It makes it look very posh. So this one actually to me looks like a one-bedroom apartment. Wow. The cabinets, the wardrobes are the same as the previous house. So very huge, very, very huge. And of course we have our mirror, just like the other house. I think the difference is just the space, because you also have a balcony, just like the other one. The toilet is the same. And have you guys noticed this? Can you guys check this out? They don't have the ordinary bulbs. They have amazing, cute light fixtures. We have that one, and then we also have this one over here, which is really cute as well. This section of the house feels like a bedroom, and it leads to the balcony. So you also have this space where you can put a curtain, yeah, and you can be able to see the seating from that side. But basically that's it. You have the toilet and all this space to decorate it whatever way you want to decorate it. So let me know in the comment section what your favorite part of the house is. By now you're wondering, where are these amazing houses and how can I go and have a glimpse of the houses? And I am here with the information, of course. So the houses are located at Lower Kirinyaga Road, which is just near Koja. There are different routes to access the houses. So the next question, how much are the houses? I already mentioned this, I'm sure. This particular house, the biggest size is going for 17,000 shillings. The smaller size is going for 15,000 shillings. And I know you also think like me that that is very affordable considering the finish of the house, considering the space. So if you want a house here, the deposit is 15,000 shillings. If you're going for the 15,000 one, the deposit is 15,000, the rent is 15,000. So ideally they want you to pay 2 months deposit and the rent, but you can first pay the rent and the 1 month deposit, and they will give you up to 3 months to pay the other deposit. And also there is an agreement fee of 5,000 shillings, electricity deposit fee for 1,500 shillings. So ideally if you were gonna go for the 15,000 one, you're gonna pay 30,000 plus 5,000, that's 35,000, and plus 1,500, so that's 36,500. for the 15,000 shillings one. So it's basically the same. Do the math: 1 month deposit, 1 month rent, pay the other month's deposit within 3 months, 5,000 for agreement, 1,500 shillings for electricity deposit. Also, the houses have tokens, so electricity will just be it's up to you. You just put in the tokens. You have a meter, so the water bill is also dependent on your consumption. Basically, that's it, guys. I highly recommend the houses, you guys. It's been a while since I went to such an amazing house at such an amazing price. So for more questions, leave them at the comment section below. Leave the comments, your views and all that. If you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly do subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Share with your friends. I would highly recommend the houses for students, especially if your school is near the CBD. If you go to UN, KCA, the house is near the road, so it's easy to access matatus. Also, if you are in the Airbnb business, or if it's something you have been thinking about, this is the place. This house would do perfectly for an Airbnb, and the rent is amazing. You know, you guys enjoyed the video because the video was done by a professional videographer. His name is Ben Migwe, so I'm gonna leave his number at the description box below. If you want videography services or photography services for your house, for your occasion, basically for anything, reach out to him. He will deliver amazing services. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I will see you on the next one. Bye.